Today's application problem is Mission 4, Lesson 22. There are 38 apples, 16 bananas, 24 peaches, and 12 pears in the fruit basket. How many pieces of fruit are in the basket? There are a lot of numbers today, so let's get those numbers circled. 38, 16, 24, and 12. But the question is, how many pieces of fruit are in the basket? We are going to draw a bar model or tape diagram to show these numbers. I'm going to start with 38 apples. Then I'm going to add a bar to show 16 bananas, then 24 peaches, then 12 pears. If you need to pause the video to draw your own bar model, please do that now. I know all of my parts, all of my fruit that are in the basket, but I need to know the total number. That means I have to add all of these numbers together. It's a lot of numbers today, but we're going to use a strategy. We're going to break apart each of these numbers into tens and ones so we can try to find more groups of 10. 38 would break down into 30 and 8. What would 16 break down into? 10 and 6. What about 24? 20 and 4. And lastly, 12. I hope you said 10 and 2. Okay, now look at all of our broken down numbers. Remember from first grade, we learned about pairs of numbers that make a 10. Do you see any numbers that would make a 10? Right here. If I flip these numbers around, I can group my 6 and my 4 together to make a 10. Did you see that? Okay, so now I have 10, 10, and 20. I'm going to put those together. 10 and 10 make 20, and 20 and 20 make 40. Now I have to add the 30 and the 8, the 40, and the 10 and the 2. So here I have that problem. 30, 8, 10, 2, and 40. I don't need to break the 40 down because it's already just tens. Do you see another make a 10? I see it. It's the 8 and the 2. I'm going to switch those around so that I can easily group these together. Now I have 30, 10, and 10. 30 plus 10 is 40, plus another 10 is 50. I'm going to take the 50 and add it to the 40. That's easier to do. 50 plus 40. That's 5 tens plus 4 tens, which is 9 tens. And 9 tens equals 90. There are 90 pieces of fruit in the basket. Great job, everyone. So we have apples, bananas, peaches, and pears. Which would be your favorite if you got to pick from the basket? I think I would take an apple. I mean, there are 38 of them, so there's plenty. Maybe 2 or 3. Have a great day.